Sunshine, sea breeze, and a whole lot of sparkle. This is Benidorm, like you've never seen it before. I'm hitting the streets in style, pink hair and all, because mobility can be bold, bright, and totally fabulous. Welcome to my world. Let's ride.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Benidorm Scooter Sue. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to take a ride through the Julio Iglesias Park. So let's go and have a look. It's a beautiful sunny day again. Say about 30s at the moment. It's very, very hot. Stupidly wishing to get out again. Put no sun cream on and I don't have a cover. Normally bring like a little lightweight sort of long sleeved, like, don't know what you'd call it really, jacket or top, just so when it gets hot I can cover up a bit. So first of all we have this lovely big tree there, then nice small little play area here for the kids, like the little sort of seat rocking things, and a lovely little cute picnic table for them. And then over to the other side we have some swings, and then we have like a little exercise sort of area, pull-up bars, so peaceful down here, it's lovely. Some more pull-up bars there. A lady doing some yoga there. Would have been funny if the dog joined in. And then we have more sort of pull-up bars here. It's always lovely and peaceful in the park, but this is the quieter end. Not sure if you're seeing this, but I've got a woodpecker. Wow. I'm hoping that he's coming out. is just beautiful. So we're down by the bottom of a beautiful bull wing. Oh, I wish that I could get into there. It'd be absolutely fab. Would be incredible. Oh, I always hate coming over this bit. So we've got the bull wing here. Sadly closed off to the public. Check out the ghost hunting videos that we've done around this area. And up the back above here, had some very interesting things, some great pictures as well, where if you zoom in you can see things on them. Being able to see bulls, matadors. It'd be wonderful if they ever reopened it. They are meant to be doing a regeneration programme, but as always, yeah, it takes forever. So I hope that them birds have come out on the video. I don't think maybe they was a woodpecker. I think they were them other birds. I'll have to Google it, see if I can find the name, and I'll put the name in the description below. I have seen them before, going back a few years. Sorry about my brakes again, guys. I'm really trying to do something with them. I'm not sure what they're doing to the urns here in the park, whether they're fixing them, just simply painting them. That's of course the bridge on the road where I live, Alfonso de Pichadas, that runs over this lovely park. So I wonder if we'll see some playful red squirrels as well. Just to top off the video, that'd be good, wouldn't it? So this is like under the bridge. Oh my gosh, it's so cool under here. I think I'll just sit here. That's it. Just do me video from under the bridge. But not really, because we've got the rest of this beautiful park to explore. So come down here for all these like urns. I've been told that once upon a time they did have water coming out of all of them. They were like little fountains. So imagine that was lovely to see. It's like a little basketball, sort of netball court, I don't know really, just there. And then another nice little play area for the kiddies, like a pirate ship. And then of course got the back, the Prince Park just there. And then we're coming down into the main auditorium, Julio Iglesias Auditorium. I hold lots of concerts and events here. I think there's one not tomorrow, but next Saturday, the 7th of June. I believe that there's something on here. So looking forward to seeing that. So we've got the main stage there. And then seating area. There is a small disabled area there where people can sit and watch. And then, of course, we have the man himself. Julio Iglesias himself. What a beautiful voice he had. Some toilets there. Maybe only open during the concert. And then we come into the front half of the park, which heads down to a smaller auditorium. Again, one of these signs that are popping up everywhere with information. Unfortunately, I seem to have done my video when there's a load of youngsters as well coming down behind me. So again, lines. We have this little circle here Not really sure what that's for. Would be nice if there was a seating area. It does go up to the steps up there. There is a nice little seating area here in the shade under the trees, and another children's park, which I'm not gonna sort of film because there are children. But I can film this little bit where there's no children. And then we come on to like an outdoor gym. It's a nice little gym, but the only trouble is you get gravel in your sandals. We've got the zip line. And again, some little picnic tables which have like little chess boards, so you can sit and play chess or drafts there. No squirrels out today, sadly. Not going to moan too much because I did get them beautiful birds, and I hope they have come out on the video okay, because it was hard to see with the sun on the screen. And then of course we come down to the Auditorio Oscar España, smaller auditorium. Still nice all the same. You can see they've got stage there. They were doing some kind of a play in here the other day. Looked like one of the schools or something. Chairs all chained up. And then we come through here onto the bit by the town hall. They do have stages up here certain times of the year for outdoor concerts and events, especially at Christmas time. They have a big Christmas tree up here. They have an ice rink, and they have a stage where they do a bit of a countdown show for the lights coming on and stuff. Fireworks show. So you can see there, we've got the town hall. And then got the flags there. And of course the Bristol Hotel there. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe as well. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload more great content. Thanks for watching, guys.